Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into mostly the Blush Crush part of the Nude Mood and Blush Crush bundle. The names are always so cute. So I'm going to be getting into the Blush Crush palette for this eye look right here, and I'm actually going to zoom you guys in close. Well, not really actually zoom. I'm going to use a different lens altogether. Also, I'm going to be talking about the highlighters in this collection and some of the lip tints I'm going to do some swatches of these. If you want to see how to get this look right here using the Blush Crush palette, and then me just talking about my thoughts on some of the parts of this collection, well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial. I'm dispersing a Made You blush in the center of the lid first, and I'm using swiper motions, moving back and forth with the tip of my brush. And I'm gonna do this and make larger swiping motions and blend all over the eye. So I'm taking more into the outer corner, and I'm taking it not only on the mobile but in the crease of the eyelid and on the brow bone as well. And I'm going to take a half swipe circle motion on the outside to sort of round out. I'm going to blend just everything all over the eye, and then from there I'm going to add Made You blush to the other side. The next shade I'm going to be getting into is Pop a Bottle, and it's this beautiful Super Shock shadow, and I'm going to just be using my handy dandy finger. So I'm going to start in the center, and I'm tapping. So I'm tapping Pop a Bottle just in the center of the eyelid, like so. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more Pop a Bottle and tap it in the center. And then I'm going to take my pinky and disperse it out in the inner corner. I don't have any extra on my pinky, and I'll take my pinky to the outer edge and disperse as well. For liner, I'll be using the Colourpop BFF liquid liner in the shade Grande, or the color Grande. Okay, I'm so sorry if I end up going like leaning in or out for the liner. I'm gonna try my best to stay still. So I'm gonna start with the center of the base of the lashes, and I'm just gonna press the liner onto the base. I'll just press it. I want it to get super thin as I get to the center, and then as I go up, I'm going to create a wing like that. And I'm going to start to make it a wing. Just like that. And then from there I'm going to look down and then attach this center part to this other part. And I'm going to attach that top part. So I've done liner on both eyes. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes. These are the Lotus Lashes Yarzabeth Lash. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go into the shadow Cheek to Cheek. And I'll be using the Take Me Back to Brazil No. 5 brush from BH Cosmetics. Adding this all over the entire lower lash line, and then I'll do the same thing to the other side. For the inner corner, I'll be applying Pop a Bottle, and I'll be using the BH No. 11. It's a liner brush. It's from the Fairy Lights brush collection. For mascara, I'll be using the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara, but I'm not going to be using it right now. I'm going to apply my face makeup first, and then this will be the mascara I apply to the lower lashes. Before going into Always Right, I'm going to be using the Thrive Causemetics Lip Filler Lip Liner in Jessie, and then I'll apply Always Right on top. So I think this is such a gorgeous collection. I love both palettes. I think both palettes are really pretty. So if you already have stuff like this in your collection, it's totally not necessary, but the quality is just so good, and the prettiness factor is so beautiful. The wearability and the soft glamness of it all is just amazing. Colourpop Super Shock highlighters are incredible. I think they're my favorite highlighters. I really like that they're in this giant pan. I'm obsessed with this mirror. I love how giant it is. It's so perfect. I love the formula of the highlighter. I think it's just so pretty, and it's so blinding, and it's so smooth, and yeah, so there's two highlighters in this collection. We have the Colourpop The Real Thing, which I have on today. These are definitely going to be my favorite highlighters ever. In this collection, there are two lip crayon bundles. They're the Just a Tint lip crayons, and I'm going to be using the Sweetest Thing duo. As you can see on my hand, I have a few swatches of the lip tints. We have Overexposed, More Than Ever, and then for the Sweetest Thing bundle, we have Always Right and Feel Good. Thank you so much for watching this video using the Blush Crush palette and getting into the Blush Crush and Nude Mood collection from Colourpop. I believe they're one of their first palette collections of the year 2020. If you did like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and remember to let me know if you like the change of lens. Let me know down below your thoughts. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye now.